welcome back to Melbourne Railway videos. Today I'm finally back for another vlog and I'm here at Riversdale. We've got 184M departing, 1392T, and the rear car is 183M. It's an Alamein service. Obviously, since it's the Alamein line on a well, it's actually a public holiday today. That is just a 3-car train. So now I'm at the up end of the platform 2. We've got a Camberwell service about to arrive. Here it comes. I don't know if it's blurry or not, but I'm sorry if it is. I haven't used this camera in a while, so I hope it still works okay. You might be able to hear the level crossing bells go off behind me. I think that level crossing which it just crossed then is actually a tram square. One of 3 remaining tram squares on the network. The other 2 are, well, there's one at Glen Huntly on the Frankston line, and there's one more on the Glen Waverley line. I think it's at Kooyong, or somewhere like that. And it's now departing. Its next and last stop will be Camberwell. 85M's leading, followed by 1343T. The rear car is 86M. You might see it passing over that crossover there. I think that's actually used fairly regularly on weekdays. Well, maybe once. They do terminate a service or 2 here at Riversdale, which is a bit weird, considering it's only the first station on the Alamein branch line. But yeah, it's a bit of an interesting situation. Something I might come to check out one day. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick look around the station before I head off. Don't really want to be hanging around here for too long because, well, I'm fairly sure what I'm doing is legal, but you just don't know really. So there's the end tram square sign there. That's because of the tram square over on this side. That's looking towards Willesden. I think Willesden's like 300 metres up the track, just around that corner. That's a tram square. There was actually a tram went past, I think it was a Z class, while the other train was departing. I couldn't tell you which route that is, but yeah. This is platform 1. Seems to be some people having a meeting on that side who did not get on the previous train. That doesn't matter, they can do what they want. To the left is a bike path, which I think looks like it's recently been redone. That's what I'm going to do in a minute. It's my excuse for coming all the way out here. This is within my 25-kilometre limit, and it feels like it's about to rain, which is very nice. Apparently there are storms coming. I'm assuming those 2 signals there are to permit a crossover. Yeah, because that's the sort of thing you need if you're going to use a turnback. What else can I show you? I think there's a cafe in that station building over there, which looked to be open, which is a bit of an interesting situation. It's something that you don't see at many stations anymore. In terms of the channel, I'm sorry I haven't Uploaded a lot recently. I've just been sort of filming things where I can. During stage 4, wasn't too keen on filming vlogs because I didn't want to really hang around in an area for too long doing something other than exercise. But yeah, as restrictions ease, I'll definitely try and get out and film a few more videos, a few more vlogs. Can't wait to visit new level crossing removal. So there's some in Mentone, Cheltenham, and on the Upfield line. I think that's opening in a couple of weeks, so I'll try and get videos there. But otherwise, yeah, thanks for sticking by the channel even though it's pretty dead. Oh, and sorry if my voice is distorted too. I'm wearing a mask. I don't really want to take that off in case anyone complains. And yeah, well, I think that's all I really have to say. I guess there's a bit of history with the Alamein line. Used to be part of the Outer Circle line, which went all the way from, I think, Fairfield to Oakley, I'm going to say. And where that curve is up the track, I think trains originally used to just head straight on and continue to Fairfield. But the Outer Circle line was so short-lived. It was only really used in the 1890s, I think, in its full capacity. But there was a service called the Deepdene Dasher, which used part of the old line to Deepdene. So maybe that section of track up ahead might have been used. I think in my East Camberwell video, East Camberwell is just up the track there on the Lilydale and Belgrave lines. I might have talked about this as well, but there's an old tunnel which I think the Outer Circle line used to use to get under the Belgrave and Lilydale lines. Is that a tram that I hear? See if it is. That might be a nice addition to the video. I'm just trying to work out whether I'm going to hang around here for another couple of trains. I think I might. It's only 9 minutes away, and no one seems to be annoyed at my presence here. And I think I'll shut up for a bit. I can hear a tram coming, so guess I'll get that in the video for some content. Okay, it might have stopped. And here it comes. I think that's an A-class tram. Could be a Z, but I'm going to say A, based on its thickness. Another tram. That looks like a Z-class. I think the train should be coming soon. Bells have gone down, so the train must finally be coming. I worked out that the reason why there were people sitting on the other side of the platform, not even catching trains, that the cafe must be so popular that people actually use station seats to eat at it. That's pretty interesting. And the extract's been nicely covered by that box camera thing. Maybe another 3-car train. Probably just the one that we saw before. '86M is leading, 1343T, and the rear car is 85M. And barely giving me enough time to get a thumbnail photo. It's already departing. I don't think anyone got off or on. It'll head very slowly over the tram square. Stop next at Williston, then Hartwell. I think it's Burwood, Ashburton and Alamein. Might have forgotten a station in there somewhere. turns out the level crossing bells have actually stayed down, so the next train must be coming. This will be the last train in the video. Should come around the bend any minute now. It's probably going very slowly. Here we are. (183M's leading car), and it's about to depart. My camera battery's almost dead. (1392T) and 184M. Alright, that train will conclude the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the return of Melbourne Railway vlogs, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, which hopefully won't be too far away.